This looks amazing. You made this in an air fryer?
I did. Hi, I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager at Haven's Kitchen, and today we're making crispy air-fried tofu. So, I have my tofu here. It's been pressing since about 8 a.m., getting all that excess liquid out so it's optimal for being fried. I'm gonna put that plate back here, set my cast iron back on the stove, and then I also have a bunch of other fun ingredients. So we've got our gingery miso, of course, which is gonna make a delicious dipping sauce. We've got some chili oil to add a little bit of spice, soy sauce. Cornstarch is here, but let's be honest, we don't need this for the air fryer because she's gonna take care of that crispiness all by herself. Bye! And I've got my spray, which is also gonna help me get an optimal crisp with my air fryer. I forgot my scallions, and I'm Australian now, apparently. I also have some scallions for garnish. I love scallions. I'm super excited for the end result of this dish. It is like all of my favorite flavors. I love tofu, especially when it's crispy. This is gonna be like chef's kiss. I'm so excited. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell so you always know when I'm cooking up with the air fryer. Much better. I'm feeling myself now. Okay, let's go. Okay, anyways, let's go. This has been pressing since 8 a.m. So like all of that excess liquid is out of here, which is this is the key to crispy tofu. Key is pressing your tofu. I had that cast iron sitting on top. You wanna make sure you have something super heavy, either cast iron, canned goods, anything really that's gonna fit on top of your plate, and you just gotta press it. It's super easy. They also sell like tofu presses, which you can invest in if you feel like it, I guess. Taking my tofu, see, look, all that liquid that's been absorbed by the paper towel. It's like completely damp, which is what we want, guys. Wow, that is powerful. What is key here with this tofu is we want every piece to have space on the bottom to really absorb that heat that's coming from above and below. Right, so we're just gonna do a little bit of this. Being sure everything is nice and coated with our sesame oil, our soy sauce as well. But be mindful, we are making a dipping sauce, so it's okay that everything isn't perfectly coated. All right. Setting the temp to 400 and the time to 5. Air fry, start. Wow, so my timer went off. I did add an extra couple minutes to that latter half in the air fryer because I wanted these optimally crispy. And if you hear when I shake them in the air fryer, we're just gonna spoon on our beautiful sauce. It's gonna add a little bit of moisture to our super crispy tofu. And then I'm gonna grab my scallions, add a little bite of like fresh. So toasted sesame seeds aren't like 100% necessary here, but I think they look pretty. They add some contrast to the green and our kind of beautiful deep brown sauce. And I really want Allie to taste this recipe and I want to impress her, so I want this plate to look extra pretty. All right, there it is, a gorgeous plate of our crispy tofu with our gingery miso sauce. I cannot wait to dig into this.
Woo! Woo! Okay. Thank you. This looks amazing. You made this in an air fryer?
I did.
Accelerating.
Are you
I haven't even eaten anything. I'm
Your
so
mouth
sick.
is watering.
My mouth is watering. I'm
Better
very
live up.
excited. I'm sure it will.
Might be really warm. How are we feeling? Happy dance?
First of all, it's like a perfect consistency.
Yes.
It's a perfect consistency. And the sauce is amazing. Nice job, Megan.
Thank you.
You are the air fryer queen.
I know. Confidently, I will say that because I am quite literally the only one in the office who cooks with an air fryer now. So, hats off to moi. This recipe is Ali approved. If you want to make it, it's linked below. It's delicious. I can attest to that. She can attest to that. I think the whole team will agree with me as soon as they try it. That's it. I'm getting back to work. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Maddie, and I will see you next time.